You are looking so beautiful.
Right.
Right. So what do
No,
you
I'm
do?
not saying right.
What do you do right now?
Nothing. Look at you.
You watching me and I am watching you, right? Or nothing. Or nothing. What type of effect?
How old are you? How old are you?
Actually, I'm 16 years old. 16 years old. On 6. You know. I'm very young. I'm looking very young.
It's
And
obvious.
and how old are you?
25.
Yes, please tell me again.
25.
25. Yes. So do you have any sibling? Do you have a sibling?
Yes.
So brother or sister?
Yes.
So where from?
Philippines.
Philippines. Actually, I have many friends in Philippines. You don't know.
Okay.
So tell me, say something. You change your effect.
Again? What did you say?
You change your effect. You change your effect.